setting up supplemental fees and discounts. In this video, we'll explore how to set up automatic additional fees beyond the standard tuition and automatic discounts. Begin by accessing your organization's Setup module on the left-hand side menu. Select the center you are working on, then under Rates, choose Additional Fees and Discounts. To add a new fee or discount, click the plus sign. To remove one, select it and use the Delete option from the menu. You can also view and edit details for existing fees and discounts. You'll find an icon on the right-hand side showing when a fee was last updated. Editing an existing fee or discount avoids the hassle of updating each family's ledger individually when you wish to make a bulk change. For instance, here we will adjust this meal service from $100 to $50. The system will then prompt you to override all active auto adjustments of this type to $50. Select Update Past to confirm, and then enter your effective date. All active adjustments will automatically update on that selected day. Make sure to save your changes. Now, let's add an example of creating a fee like a meal service from scratch. First, enter the name and select whether you are adding a discount or a fee. We'll select the fee option. This represents a regular supplemental charge added to a child's billing each month, separate from the main tuition tied to their registration. This ongoing fee can be set as either a fixed amount or a percentage. Next, you'll need to decide whether this fee or discount calculates based on the family's overall billing or the individual sponsor's invoice. You can hover over both options on your screen to see a quick explanation of each. Choosing billing calculates the amount based on the gross total for the entire household, including all third-party contributions. Choosing invoice calculates the percentage or fixed amount based only on the total assigned to that specific sponsor. For example, let's say a child's gross monthly tuition is $1,000, split evenly with $500 billed to mom and $500 billed to dad. If you add a 10% recurring fee to dad's profile, selecting billing applies the 10% to the full $1,000 gross total, adding a $100 fee to dad's invoice. Selecting invoice applies the 10% only to dad's $500 share, adding a $50 supplemental fee instead. The frequency icon is solely for reporting purposes and doesn't affect calculations. If this fee is for a food program, be sure to turn on the meal service toggle. This tags the child as an active participant and automatically adds them to the meals dashboard. This is a huge lifesaver for your kitchen staff. It gives them a real-time roster so they can accurately plan grocery shopping, handle daily meal prep, and know exactly which children should be served. The Service Outside the Program field indicates services offered outside of the licensed programs. If activated, it won't appear on government-required supplemental fee reports. Now, let's consider discounts. We'll look at implementing a staff discount. The process for discounts mirrors that of fees, but instead, they reduce the invoice amount. For example, staff members who are also parents might receive a $100 discount or a 25% discount off their specific invoices. Alternatively, discounts might be a percentage off the overall gross billing, like 50% or 25% depending on your setup. Once all fees and discounts are added, they'll appear here. To incorporate them into monthly automatic billing for each child, update their ledger after registration. For more details, refer to the video on setting up a family's ledger. This is a one-time setup unless changes or expirations occur.